and Lord of Lords. First of all, I am also very thankful to my respected teacher who gave me the chance to share my thoughts in front of you all. First of all, I would like to say Assalamu alaikum. Today I would like to talk about the life of the Holy Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. As we know that the life of the Holy Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam is a role model for every person in this world who believes in Allah and the day of the judgment. The world can see a lot of scholars, philosophers and preachers, but none of them was great as the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Allah sent His messenger in every period of history to guide the humanity. The world had been waiting for the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam for centuries. This wait was ended for the prophethood of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. He was sent as last prophet of Allah Almighty. Once the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, if Hazrat Musa had been alive, he had no option but to follow me. Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam was born and died in the month of Rabiul Awwal. He is an example of mercy for all mankind. All the Prophet guided the human, but to Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam brought a revolution in the life of people. His revolution is exemplary of history of all mankind. Our love of the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, not only devotion and passion for him, but to follow his deed also. There is no option left for us to follow his teaching. The holy lifestyle of the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. The holy lifestyle of the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam guide us in our individual and collective life. If we want to succeed in this life, the life afterward, we want to follow his teaching of the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Thanks for listening me and thanks for in our precious time. Wassalam.